Yo, yo, yo. Howdy, folks. It's Hansom. And today, we got a newbie. I know y'all love it when I smack a lens. We got an unusual one today. Before we get into that, go hit my shop up. I just restocked and replenished chucks, tips, full repair kits, tweezers. I got some new stuff too. Wow. Back to this newbie. We got a young Nikon Nikkor 100 to 400, 4.5 to 5.6 S. What's that S stand for? This was sent to me via mail from a customer, and this actually ripped off of a Z9. Actually, that will be a video as well. I'm replacing the whole front housing once it comes back from China. But yes, this Tamron fill-in lens is messed up on the mount, as you can see right here. Dang, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that right there. Ooh. And then it is just bent all right through yonder. It does not sit on a camera. Won't even. So at the end of the day, we don't even know if this works, but this is easy enough for the average consumer to do. Maybe, I don't know about that. We're about to see. Billy, can I get the part? Ooh, that boy did that right there. No, I'm talking about. Right. So I actually ordered this from Nikon, nikonparts.com, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, the part number, or the part code. Man, look here. You put in one of them right there on that website, you can get it. You know what I'm talking about? They will only sell certain things, though. They don't. Yeah, they're something else. This literally feels like nothing. It's pretty cheap. HandsomShop.com promo number 2. All right, let's stop joking around and knock this out the park. So look, this cover here has screws 1, 2, and 3. That screw that pokes out does not need to be taken out. Don't advise on doing that either. Only the screws that sit flush within the mount need to be taken out. We're going to take those 3 screws out first, and boom, bam, Bob is your uncle. Y'all really get a kick out of that one. And then we're going to take the screw out for the contact. Hopefully that contact ain't messed up. And then we are going to take out these mount screws. Pretty short screws for a mount. I'd like them screws to go deep up in there. Get in them guts. Come on. Oh, shnikes. That's it. All right, we're going to mimic the positioning. Glad those spacers didn't come out. You need to make sure them things stay up in there. No, I'm talking back. I'm talking back. For real. Shout out to the RIP DJ Screw. Oh, they didn't send it with the set screw. Interesting. All right, so it's pretty simple. Make sure them things tight. Okie dokie. All right. Now, just a second ago, I told y'all not to take that out, but you got to now. If we're sitting here, then we're going boom, boom, we're going to go right there. So we're going to take this set screw out. We're going to put it in this new mount right here. Okay. Eagle. All right, now we're going to put back this one. You're going to set that back. She'll just fall right up in there. Boom! Rear mount replacement on a Nikon Z 100 to 400. Let's test this out. Ooh, see how that thing sit up on there? Know what I'm talking about? Big old scratch on that thing. Uh-oh. Let's see. See what we got over here. Yig up. Oh, it's in manual. I was like, all right. Looks like we're working, y'all. Oh, yeah, this thing worked. We are working. Killer. Customer will be happy. All right. Rear mount replacement on a Nikon Z 100 to 400. Killer. Easy. Easy money. Easy money. Don't forget to go to my store. Don't forget to like it, to subscribe, blah, blah, blah. I hate saying that, but I said it. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace!